What's up, guys? Phantom 19 here with you. I'm gonna do a small short video here. It's actually on my wife's Model Y long range. I'm gonna put some floor mats in it that I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna see how they look. So that's basically it. So let me um, let me open up the box and then we'll get going. Hey guys, so here we are. We're back with the floor mats here for the Model Y long range. So these are them. I don't know how you pronounce that really. It's Bast, I guess. And I picked these up on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. So I'm gonna open them up, see what they look like. Get rid of this box here. That's the way it looks right there. Looks nice. Driver's side. Passenger side. And they come with this kind of a grip kind of a material in the bottom, so it's gonna hook up to your rug pretty good in there, so you're not gonna get a lot of slide from what they say. So we'll see once they're on. So that's the passenger, and then it's for the back. There's the back right there. So I think I'm gonna lay this out in the sun real quick for about 10 minutes or something, and see if it just kind of straightens it out a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna vacuum the car, and then I'll get back with you and I'll install them. I'll put them in, and then you can just see how the final how the final picture looks there. So I will get back to you shortly. So guys, here's the way the finished product looks here. Here's a passenger side right there. So yeah, they're nice. Yeah, they're nice. I like the way they fit. Fitment's pretty good. They don't slide around. And there's the passenger side. Now I'll show you the back. Same thing with the back. Goes in the right places. There's the name again right there for you guys. There's the other side. Yeah, fitment's pretty good. Not bad, not bad. And I'll show you the driver's side. There's the driver's side right there. Goes where it's supposed to. Fits great. Not bad. Get a little wider view of it there. Yeah, and there it is. And that'd be it. All right, guys. So that was it. I showed you how they fit, and yeah, they're nice. They're really nice. I'm surprised. And yeah, with that said, that's for my wife. And next video, I'll get back to the Model Y Performance. I have some installs that I'm gonna do on it, and yeah, so stay tuned for that. And I appreciate you guys watching the video. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up. It helps me out. And with that said, you guys take care. See you next time.